Hello, how are you? Welcome back to ShowNewTrend. I'm host of today, and my name is Elvis Dairy. Asia is facing an unprecedented flood crisis. Millions are stranded, entire cities are submerged, and the destruction is staggering.
Masuk. Aku geser TV. Terbang gitu kan?
Wahyu, la ilallah. Wahyu, umah habis. Tong.
Allahu Akbar.
Kabel.
Wala listrik. Oh, ye matamba.
Nisul wahai. Amit.
Lari awak lu.
Lari. La ilaha illallah.
Listrik lah man của bang kabel ni bang. Lihat bang kowe. 82 banda dia.
Depan. La ilaha illallah.
82 banda jadi aku longsor ah.
Bingung je.
Ni sampai gobah sampai lain.
Ni mengai tarikh rumah kau?
Kang mari 82 banda.
Mengai tarikh rumah kau?
Bang kabel.
The water shows no mercy. Families cling to rooftops, cars are swept away, and rescue crews are stretched to the limit.
Phòng đồ có đi à,คนลุกอ่ะได้ยินเสียงไหมช่วยจอดก่อนโอ้แต่โอ้ยคนลุกตะโกนขนาดนั้นเลยทุกทิศเลยอ่ะตอนนี้ฝั่งหนูคนตรงนั้นก็อยู่อุ้ยหลายคนเลย
Jalan Indomie. AFC.
This disaster will have long-lasting effects. We'll continue to provide updates as the situation develops.
The cost of your rice is about to go up. That's because in September of this year, Punjab suffered the worst flooding in 4 decades.
एकदम से पानी आया, घर के पीछे लगा और खेतों में भी आया। जो खेतों की फसल थी, वो तो सभी बर्बाद हो गई।
Heavy monsoon rains and flash floods destroyed more than 450,000 acres of crops in India and displaced more than 400,000 people. The states of Punjab and Haryana account for 80% of India's basmati rice production. And because of the shortage, prices are expected to increase worldwide. The farmers are blaming the Indian government. They say Prime Minister Modi's policies have increased their dependence on corporations and left them vulnerable to climate change and natural disasters.
ਘਾਟੇ 'ਚ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਸਰਕਾਰਾਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਨੇ ਹਰ ਚੀਜ਼ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਾਰਪੋਰੇਟ ਘਰਾਣੇ ਹੈ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਮਸ਼ੀਨਰੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ
Farmers in Punjab were already facing an economic crisis. Around 90% of agricultural households there are in debt. At the center of this is something called MSP. It means minimum support price. Basically, the government promises to buy crops at a set price, providing farmers financial security if the market crashes. But in recent years, farmers say MSP hasn't matched inflation. And in 2020, Prime Minister Narendra Modi passed a law that would threaten MSP.
कारा तो ना चेक करो अपनी राखी आप करो अपनी राखी दी करो तैयारी
आज अडानियों बानियों को पूरा भारत उनके हवाले करने के लिए बहुत काल में है। आज ये वाले काले अंग्रेज है जो ये हजारों कंपनियों इंटर करवा चुके हैं भारत में।
This has sparked multiple years of sustained protest movements, first in 2020 and 2021, and then from 2024 until today.
माताओं बहनों पे और किसानों मजदूरों पे बहुत बुरी तरह तशद्दुद किया, सभी को उन्होंने नेस्तनाबूद कर दिया।
But where did MSP come from? For decades, India bought crops from small farmers at these guaranteed prices to ensure national food security. But amid an economic crisis in the 1990s, the IMF and WTO pushed India to slash support for farmers like MSP and open up farming to global competition. They claimed it would boost growth, but farmers say it gave big corporations and foreign businesses control of the market, backed by massive government subsidies and expensive machinery that small farmers can't afford. The government now mostly buys wheat and rice at MSP. This pushed many farmers in Punjab to plant only these crops year after year.
पंजाब वो स्टेट थी जो सभी फसलें बोते थे।
Climate change is making harvests more unpredictable. When crops fail or prices crash, farmers say MSP help them ensure that they aren't left to absorb all the costs.
Thank you so much for joining us on today's show. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Gen Z occupy! Gen Z occupy!
Oh shit, here we go again.
Hello, how are you?